What's going on, beautiful people? Welcome to my channel. This is Victoria Elise, and today we are making shrimp noodles. Let's get into it. The first thing we're going to do is get our vegetables sliced and diced. As you can see, I'm doing my carrot first. Then we have a half of a yellow bell pepper that is getting sliced. We got some white onion. We're going to call it half of a white onion, and that's getting sliced and chopped. Then we have our delicious zucchini, which is also getting diced. Then we're going to jump into our broth. I have some vegetable, better than bouillon broth, that's getting hit with some hot water. And we're going to get that to about a cup. Once that's all melted down, we're going to go in with a tablespoon of Hoisin Sauce. Then we're doing some brown sugar. We got some soy sauce and a little bit of sesame seed oil. We're gonna mix that up and just set it to the side. Now we're gonna put some garlic powder on our shrimp and some granulated onion, some lemon pepper, and we're gonna give that a good stir. This is the raw, deveined, and peeled shrimp. Then we have some Cajun seasoning that's going on top of there as well. Now we're getting our pan ready with a little bit of olive oil on the bottom and about a tablespoon of butter. We're just gonna move that around and making sure the pan is completely coated because we don't want these shrimp to stick to the bottom of the pan. In goes the shrimp, and I'm just making sure they have room to be separated so they're all getting a good cook on both sides. Once those are done, I'm gonna put them to the side, and in goes some more butter, about another tablespoon of butter, and I'm not cleaning out the pan, I'm leaving the seasoning in there. In goes all of the veggies that we sliced and diced at the beginning, moving those around, and we're gonna cook those down until they are to the texture we want them to be. So we're getting them soft, we're getting those onions translucent, moving it around, putting some flavor on there. We got some garlic going in and some granulated onion as well, just giving that a good stir. And we're keeping these on the stove for about, let's say, 5 to 6 minutes. I got a nice little crispy char on one side before I added in my broth. So there goes the broth in with the veggies after I've cooked them down to the texture I want them. Everybody is different. Some might like them a little softer. Some might like them with a little crunch. So that's up to you how long you cook those. I let that simmer in there for about 2 to 3 minutes. And in goes our noodles. I chose to use some ramen noodles. I'm not sure what the best noodle is. Y'all gotta pick what noodle you like the most. I found it very delicious with the ramen noodles. You just gotta be careful how long you cook them because the noodles will get softer, of course, the longer you cook them. In goes our shrimp. We're just giving that a good mix around. And there we have it, y'all, the most easy, delicious dish. We're just getting that all plated with all those veggies, all that shrimp. So good. The flavor was perfect. Didn't take that much seasoning, but all those sauces that we added together were just perfection. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe. Until next time, bye.